This is video 2 of a series of videos that I'm doing on how to use your planner to be less stressed. So please stay tuned for today's tip. Hi everyone, my name is Tonya and I'm so excited because I make videos on practical planning, organization, and small business. Hello, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, this channel is all about planning. If you're watching from YouTube or Facebook, please be sure to hit the like button. If you are watching from Facebook, please visit my Facebook page and like and hit the follow me button there. If you're watching from YouTube, please be sure to hit the subscribe button. And if you're watching or if you're on Instagram, please be sure to follow me at Tonya_plans. I'm doing a series on how to use your planner to manage stress. And the tip in today's video is identify your priorities. Now, using a planner is a great way to manage stress, and I use my planner all the time. Now, as you can see here, this is my daily planner pages. These are Franklin Covey planner pages, and the daily format has a place where you can do a prioritized task list. Let me focus so you can see that. Now here you'll see that I wrote a list of things that I want to get accomplished today. So once you write down a list of things that you want to get accomplished, the next thing you'll need to do is to prioritize those tasks. Now, sometimes when you're prioritizing, you can have so many critical things that you need to get done that you may not know where to begin. The Franklin Covey system recommends that you list your task and then use alphabets to prioritize them. So alphabet A would be like your most important priority would be A. So today my most important priority is to visit my dad. My dad is now home from the hospital, but I said, look, after the scare, I have to make more time to go and see my parents. So I put for me today, A was to visit my dad. Everything else was B's and C's. Now after you use your alphabets to prioritize your task, let's say you have a bunch of B's like I do. Now you can use numbers beside the letters to identify what you would like to do first. So I tend to like to do the easiest things first, even though that's not great, because you really should do the most important things first. The things that will provide the most value really is what we should be doing first. But you can put your alphabets and then your numbers beside your alphabets, and that is how you prioritize tasks. Now as you complete your task, it's so important to cross them off. Why? Because this gives you a feeling of accomplishment. So you would use a check mark to indicate that an item is completed. You would use an arrow to indicate that an item has been forwarded to a later time. You would use a dot to indicate that something is in progress. And you would use an X if the task needs to be deleted and just no longer requires completion. And also, if you would like to delegate a task, you can use the word G and a check mark in a circle to indicate that you delegated it to someone. So I hope you found this video helpful. Please be sure to comment. I love hearing from my fellow planner people. Don't forget to like this video, and if you're watching from YouTube, please select one of the videos on the screen to watch another one of my great planner videos. Thanks, and have a good week.